guys, my name is Destiny and this is my mum. What's your name, Mum?
Taulagi, Momoisea.
Okay, we're gonna do that again. Hi guys, my name is Destiny and this is my mum Langi, and today we're gonna be teaching you how to make Pani Popos. We're gonna get a 1/4 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of yeast. Cool, and then you wanna put 1/4 teaspoon of sugar as well. And then mix it. We do 2 cups of high grade and 1.5 cups of South raising flour. And then you're gonna get a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're gonna mix it.
1 teaspoon of butter and milk.
Okay, so we're gonna put all the wet ingredients into the flour. So we're gonna make like a well in the middle first, and then we're gonna pour it all in. And we're gonna mix. Okay, so when it gets to this point, you wanna take your clean hands and get into it. So mine are clean, I promise. Until it's all one big piece of dough. Add some flour and just lightly drizzle them on your chopping board. Now this is probably the hardest part of this whole thing. Mum, do you want to do this? Because I'm not very good at it. You're better.
Just do it. Leave that till after.
Okay, leave it till after. Yeah, and roll it.
You did it before.
So I'm gonna roll it like my mum said to.
Just roll it.
Like this. Does it work?
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna say 2 fingers. And here are your buns. Hun. We're gonna chop them and then put them into your lightly greased tin.
It's just the biscuits really. Just having all sorts of sizes.
What are we pouring in, Mom?
That's coconut cream with water and sugar. Since we call it coconut buns, so we're cooking it with coconut.
So now
Now it's
we're
in
going
the
to put
oven.
it in the oven.
Probably take about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. But first we're going to preheat the oven to 185 for about 5 minutes.
Okay, now it came out of the oven. Sometimes it looks better than this. Okay, that's how you make Pani
And that's how you make Pani Popo. Is all I asked her to
coconut
say.
cream.
And that's how you make Pani Popos. With my mom. Cheers.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.